Unique design featuring a distinctive keyhole-shaped lever. This is the GROHE Eurostyle Cosmopolitan basin tap, perfect for modern bathrooms. It has a comfortable standard height spout, perfect for any bathroom. Its GROHE SilkMove cartridge technology guarantees effortless adjustment of temperature and volume, offering smooth handling that lasts for years. This product also comes with GROHE Starlight scratch-resistant chrome finish and the GROHE Quick Fix installation system for swift, simple fitting. And you can be certain of the outstanding GROHE quality, all backed up by our 5-year guarantee. The basin, bidet, shower and bath taps in this range provide a perfect solution tailored to your bathroom. GROHE Eurostyle Cosmopolitan. Choose individuality and identity for your bathroom.